Hi, we are solving the problem number 590, an array tree post order transversal. So this is similar to the question I solved today only in my YouTube channel. I posted it earlier, which was for an array tree pre-order transversal. So what's the difference between pre-order and post-order? In the pre-order, the root will be processed first, and then left right will be processed, left root, right root. In the post order transversal, the root will be processed at the last. First left, then right, then root. So as you can see in this example, so it is having three children, 1, 3, 2, 4, and 3 is having 5, 6. So it will go left, 5, then 6 will be processed, then 3 will be processed, then 2 will be processed, then 4 will be processed, and at the last the parent node 1 will be processed. Similar example you can see over here also. So let's solve it. How we will be doing is, we'll be implementing recursive solution. Let's create a list to store the results. I have created the list which is named, I named it as a result. Again, I am creating an array, a function which will be returning post order transversal. Okay. Again, it will return the void. So void. So now if root is equal to null, return. So this is the base condition. So in this condition, again what we will do is, we'll first call the post order transversal for the children's, and then we will process the nodes. So it's like one is having children 3, 2, 4. So what we will do, will not add 1 to the list, rather than we'll call the children's. Again the children's will be get called, then its children will be called. Suppose the first we call, then what we'll do, we'll first process this 3, 2, 4, and then we will be processing 1. So recursively what will happen is, 3, 2, 1, 4 will again call, and at that time 3 will be processed after 5 and 6. This will be done recursively. So adding the root value will be after the recursive calls. So let's call the post order transversal for all the children's. Node root dot children. Again we'll call for each and every children the post order transversal, which will be with the node, right? Afterwards we will be adding list dot add root dot val, and then our function will get completed. Again we'll call this function in order to update the result list. It's not, I'll say the name result, res.add. Since it is a global variable for the list, it can be accessible from anywhere in this class. Okay. Again what we'll do, we'll call post order transversal for the root. Then now the list of results will be updated, so we will return the result. Let's check whether the base test cases are getting cleared. Yes, it is getting accepted. Let's submit it. Yes, our solution is 100% faster than others and takes less space than 100% of Java Online submissions. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.